I just switched from the iPhone 17 Pro Max to this, and I did not expect this. I've been using an iPhone for years, but this might be the first phone that actually made me leave. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are one of the best phones you can buy, but this is playing a completely different game. This is not just a phone, it's a phone and a tablet in your pocket. With the iPhone, you're stuck doing just one thing at a time. With this, you can actually multitask. And this is where Apple started losing me. Every year, it's the same thing. Slightly better camera, slightly better battery, the exact same experience. It's predictable. When you open this, it feels different. It actually feels like you upgraded. Going back to an iPhone after this feels small. Performance isn't even close to being an issue. This has the latest Snapdragon chip. It has a lot of RAM. This thing handles everything. I used to stay with iPhone for the camera, and yeah, the iPhone is still elite, but this, 200 megapixels, it's not a compromise anymore. But let's be real, this is expensive, it's thicker, and battery isn't amazing with that big screen. So this is not for everyone. If all you do are basic tasks on your phone like scrolling social media, texting, making phone calls, then you do not need this phone. Just stay with your iPhone. But if you actually want more from your phone, this provides a completely different experience. For me, I got bored of iPhones. I wanted something new, and right now, this is it. I'm going all in on this. Full review coming soon. I'll be discussing the battery, durability, real world use. If you're thinking about switching, subscribe. I'll tell you if it's actually worth it.